Here we are now in the headquarters of TRB, where everything was born. But in fact, TRB of today is the result of many years before. My dad, when he was 26, he left his city in Bologna, and went to Hong Kong and then to Japan to work for an Italian pharmaceutical company. He had a very particular way of working, and he taught me all this during the years. I lived in Japan also for 10 years, where I acquired a love for that country. You know, being a kid in Japan, you get to know another culture that you have at home, and you learn to embrace the difference. In 1980, my dad left Japan with his family. This means my mom and I, and we moved to Geneva. Why Geneva? He wanted an international city in the center of Europe. So when I came in Switzerland at 8 years old, I was the different one, and therefore you approach life differently. And my dad always told me, don't worry, you know, if you do things well done, you do things correctly, then everything will come back to you. And after 40 years, I took over the company. After working 15 years with my dad, finishing study in pharmacy, pharmaceutical chemistry, working in pharmacy, working during nighttime at the service of people, willing drugs, wanting some cure for something, sometimes just needing to be heard by somebody. It was the most interesting part of my studies, being able to attend people during nighttime, because night is special. In all these years, I learned science, of course, I learned business, and I learned a lot on how to manage people, how to manage clients, how to manage people that need something. Now we are in Geneva. I'm a kid. I study pharmacy, as I told you before, and finally I join the company. And I start old school style, really on the bottom of the pyramid, and I was very happy with it because I learned to do everything. I learned to input numbers of sales, I learned to do the marketing, I learned to do some business development. I traveled all over the world in all the subsidiaries we opened, that nowadays we have 17 subsidiaries in the group, and we are present in more or less 70 countries. It took 40 years to reach that amount of countries, but I'm quite proud that today we continuously enlarge the group and we reach more and more clients and patients with our products. So here we are in Vouvry, our beautiful plant in the middle of the mountains, the sun.
Beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day, really, and we are very proud because this new administrative building is just finished. We just moved in. And we are preparing the TRB, the Vouvry plant 2.0, where of course we have this place, which has represent also our roots. We have a Japanese garden down there. We have the facade, which is different. And now we are thinking to modernize all the production and do some more research. So tell me what is new in this field.
Well, what we are doing in the future is, first of all, having a new stability building. So this will be probably finished in 2023-24. So we will be able to have all our stability for all the group here in Vouvry. We are of course also developing our biotech laboratory. The idea is to find a new process to obtain ganglioside GM1. Actually, GM1 we are already producing here, but we are looking for new process and also new indication for GM1 and the other gangliosides.
Oh, well, this is nice. So you're the thinker and I'm the seller. Perfect. This is the best
Perfect
way.
match.
Perfect match.
As we are working on the neurology field and we really want to be a leading company in this field, for instance in Huntington disease, Parkinson, and so other neurodegenerative disease. So for that we are increasing our capacity in our R&D lab. The team is working hard, and we are very, very proud to be also a company that not only sells products but thinks and develops new products.
We have really high-level products because, Swiss engineering, Swiss quality, Swiss everything, and we are quite proud of that because we want to maintain the Swissness. As chief scientific of the group, you insist a lot
on the quality of the Swiss, but yes, this is our main, I think, also message. We really are focusing on quality and we want to keep this quality.